G'day people, alright, M3 build. Here we go. So what we have is an Apollo XC altitude bike. Pretty much everything standard. I've still got my gears on the right here, but underneath I've cut off the normal lever and I've got the dual brake lever installed. Left side with the clutch, which is currently unconnected. Tank, electronics, got to put my NTK in there with the Sick Bike Parks exhaust. And here we go to, the shift kit up there. I had to undo that, it was in the way, not cut that I mean. Should put that in there. Electronics and my front mount bracket. This apparently was giving me a lot of trouble before shearing bolts and whatnot, so yeah. About 3mm thick hardened steel plate from Bunnings store. Actually the Bunnings scaffolding where all those shelves are built from, I cut a piece out. So this is sitting flat on there to stop it from, say, tilting from side to side. And here, have it gone through there and the front. She's very tight. And normal for the shift kit. It's not, chain isn't in there yet. I'll get to that tomorrow. Awesome comfy seat, and yeah, engine's yet to be painted, but I was pretty excited to put it all together. Alrighty.